Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn and Play with Manya. I hope you all are having a great time in your home with your families. Today we will discuss the life cycles. I couldn't make all of them, so I'm only going to tell you 3 of them. The number 1 is fish, number 2 is a butterfly, and number 3 is a frog. Let's get started. I hope you enjoy. The life cycle of a fish. Fish lay eggs in water. The eggs are so small. Have you seen any of the eggs? The eggs hatches into a fry, not the fry egg, the fry, and the fry becomes a fish, and then the fish lays eggs again, and this is the complete life cycle of a fish. And the next is a butterfly. The butterfly lays their eggs in the land. They have rainbow colors and are very beautiful. Butterflies, the eggs hatches into a caterpillar, and a caterpillar have usually 10 legs and is very small. The caterpillar becomes a pupa. A pupa is like a hibernation. When it wakes up from the hibernation, it becomes a complete new butterfly, and this is the life cycle of a butterfly. I hope. The last but not least, the life cycle of a frog. The frog also lays their eggs in water. The egg hatches into tadpole. The tadpole are in water. Then the tadpole back legs grows. Then it becomes a froglet. The froglet becomes a frog. The frog lays eggs, and it's the whole life cycle of the frog. I hope you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy.